Okay, here we're doing skipping rock competition. Everybody's trying to get more. Okay, not everybody, but so I think it's August 11th, and we've been doing a whole bunch of stuff because Kate is leaving August 15th to go to Miami for college. So we're doing tons and tons and tons of stuff. We went on a bar crawl last night. And we did this, and we're gonna have chicken riggies Tuesday. Yeah. So lots of stuff. Morgan, that was a terrible skip. I'm very, very disappointed. Let's see. Who's got the most skips? Colin, that was terrible as well. Enderly is giving instructions on how to skip rocks. Morgan, what do you got to say to YouTube and all your followers?
Hi, I like rocks.
You like rocks, all right. Pretty basic. That's okay. Adia, what do you want to say to YouTube and all your followers?
That's what I have to say.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad that we came too. You what at home?
I almost went home because I was too...
Oh, you were really tired. You just wanted to like survive the day. Yeah.
But then I feel better now.
You didn't get totally submerged. Your hair's still dry.
No, I just walked in a little.
Yeah. Well, that would wake you up all right.
I know, it would. You can still do it.
Yeah, this is a cool place. And they're adding on a really nice building over there. Okay. There we go, Colin. That was good. Let me zoom in a bit because everybody's in one spot. There we go. Oh, and the sun is coming out now. Nice. Colin, what do you want to say to all your fans on YouTube?
Hi.
Hi. Okay. That doesn't look like a good skipping rock. Brittany, what do you want to say to all your fans on YouTube?
I want to thank you all for sponsoring me so I could afford a bathing suit and good luck to Jack because he leaves tomorrow, and then Kate and Haley.
Okay. I think she said
Now Adia has to be my
stuff about
friend.
Haley and Kate leaving.
He tries to deny my
All right.